best Mac antivirus software, our top picks of 2024. These are some of the most helpful antivirus softwares that efficiently prevents your Apple computers from malware. However, Mac already includes built-in antivirus software XProtect and is less likely to acquire any malware. But in case if it gets any extra virus, then these are considerably amazing Mac antivirus softwares. Bitdefender Premium Security for Mac. Bitdefender Premium Security is a remarkable software with the simplest interfaces to comprehend that might lack a few Windows versions features, but it meticulously works to offer an enhanced premium quality of protection with an unlimited VPN and more. It's also capable of detecting Windows viruses apart from Mac virus. It would do fast scanning with low overhead and is known as the latest cross-platform password manager with 24/7 email, phone, and live chat support options. Norton 360 Deluxe. It's a top-notch Mac antivirus software that seamlessly offers an incredible protection with VPN and dark web monitoring included that usually lacks in other softwares. So it includes a comprehensive set of options that does an inspiring job. Moreover, it includes other significant options including safe web browser extensions, a firewall, Norton Secure VPN, and a password manager, and more, which ensures you a shielded usage of the device without any fear of malware. Intego Mac Premium Bundle X9. Intego entails the best defense system that includes a plenty of third-party apps that keeps your device safe. Moreover, it also consists of their native Virus Barrier X9, Net Barrier X9, Mac Washing Machine X9, Personal Backup 10.9, and Content Barrier X9. Additionally, it offers support for firewalls, 24/7 email, and live chat, and more. It works faster in contrast to the other softwares.